In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add favicon in WordPress. A favicon, sometimes called a site icon, is the small image that appears in the browser tab next to your website name. It helps make your site look more polished and recognizable, and it's a simple branding detail that can make a big difference. To get started, log into your WordPress.com account and go to My Home. This is your main dashboard area where you can manage your site settings and make updates. Once you're on the dashboard, move your cursor over Settings. This is where WordPress keeps the core options for your website, including the place where you can update your site icon. From the Settings menu, click General. The General Settings page contains important site details, and this is where you'll find the option to upload your favicon. Now, look for the option labeled Choose a Site Icon and click it. This opens the media upload window, where you can either upload a new image or select one if it's already available in your media library. Next, click Select Files. This will open the file browser on your computer so you can locate the image you want to use as your favicon. When choosing your file, make sure it's a clear, simple image that still looks good at a very small size. Favicons are tiny, so logos with too much detail may not display well. After that, choose the file from your computer. Take a moment here to confirm that you're selecting the correct image. A square image usually works best, since WordPress will use it in places where balanced dimensions are important. Once the image has uploaded, click Set as Site Icon. This applies the image as your favicon and saves it for your website. After you complete this, your new site icon should begin appearing in browser tabs and other supported locations. If you don't see the change right away, don't worry. Sometimes your browser may still be showing a cached version of the old icon. Refreshing the page, opening the site in a new tab, or clearing your browser cache can help. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon in WordPress. It only takes a minute, but it gives your site a more professional and complete appearance.